Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an important topic to discuss, especially if you are struggling with weak Wi-Fi signal in certain area of your home. We are going to show you how to configure a Wi-Fi repeater to extend your network coverage and eliminate those dead zones. Before moving on, let's know what is Wi-Fi repeater. A Wi-Fi repeater is also known as range extender. It is a device that amplifies and extends your existing Wi-Fi signals, providing coverage to area with weak or not connectivity. It's crucial to understand your existing network. You will need to know your Wi-Fi network's name and password. This information is usually found on a sticker on your router. In our case, we have configured a D-Link router in our last video, so we will use this router as a host router for a client router. Let's start. Open browser and enter router's management IP address. I am using a tender router. Choose dynamic IP address and click on OK. Now internet setting, and we will choose universal repeater, and it shows Wi-Fi networks. We have to select BITS-ITBuddy and enter password and then connect. It will reboot. We have successfully configured and set up our Wi-Fi repeater to extend our wireless network. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.